Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today is part 2 of our Design Details series, where we explore over 20 elements that bring cohesion, elegance and character to your home. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend starting there. In that episode we covered architectural and textural details, which form the foundation of a welcoming space. Before we begin, don't forget to download our 5 L's of Styling ebook by signing up to our email list. You'll find the link in the description box below. Sensorial Design, the invisible layer of interiors. In our series on interior design for well-being, we introduced the concept of multi-sensory design, an approach that engages all the senses to create immersive and meaningful spaces. Fragrance is one of the most powerful yet often overlooked elements of design. It enhances a room's ambience in the way that is felt rather than seen. Scentscaping. This technique uses fragrance to distinguish and define different areas of your home. By curating scents that complement your activities, the time of day, and your mood, you can create a more intentional and inviting environment. Alternatively, you may prefer to establish a signature scent that evokes a sense of home, whether year-round or seasonally. My personal favourite is Ernesto by Trudon. Tiny details, big impact. Sometimes the smallest changes make the most significant difference in how a room looks and feels. Switch plates and outlets. Upgrade standard plastic switch plates with brass, ceramic or painted finishes that blend seamlessly with your walls. This simple change adds a refined touch. Decorative light switches. Vintage toggle switches or antique brass dimmers bring charm and character to a space. Cabinet hardware. Swapping out generic knobs and handles for antique or custom-made pieces can instantly transform furniture and cabinetry, adding personality and uniqueness. Thoughtful storage and display, beauty in organisation. Lastly, why not elevate everyday household tasks by replacing functional items with more beautiful alternatives? Thoughtful upgrades can transform routine chores into moments of mindfulness and joy. From a well-crafted cutting board to elegant fire tools, every detail can add small moments of joy to daily life. Here are a few everyday items you might consider replacing with more stylish options. Fire tools. Swap old or utilitarian sets for stylish designs like those from Eldvarn, which blend function and elegance. Storage baskets and boxes. Choose woven rattan or natural fibre alternatives instead of plastic. Reusable cleaning products. Upgrade to glass spray bottles, natural bristle brushes and linen tea towels. Trays for organisation. Use decorative trays on coffee tables, vanities, or your entryway console to keep small items tidy. Glass jars and apothecary bottles. Store bath salts, pantry staples or office supplies in elegant glass containers. I'd like to end with a quote by architect Sarah Robinson, who says, "The moment we step into a space, we intuit its ambience, a silent, immediate experience. The space envelops us, conveying its essence without words. It's an encounter that touches us deeply, whether we consciously will it or not." Thank you so much for watching. Which of these ideas will you be incorporating? I'd love to know. And if you missed part 1, we've put a link in the description box below. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and be sure to download our 5 L's of Styling ebook. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.